Alright, welcome to this video. I'm doing this video to train as many that are interested in Facebook advertising, Facebook ad. Uh, if you are interested, this video is for you. If you want to learn Facebook advertising, that is how to run Facebook ad. This video is for you. Now, I have done about 3 videos already. I've done about 3 videos. The first 2 videos uh, are based on the former Facebook ad interface, the former Facebook ad policy, because recently Facebook changed their ad policy. Let me say they updated it or they upgraded it. Let me use that word. So now they have new ad policy. Let me give you a practical example. Before, we used to have what we call messaging campaign. We used to have what we call page like campaign. But now all that have been merged under a campaign called engagement. We call it engagement campaign. So before, we also have what we call instant form. We have instant form, but now both instant form and lead generation, they are merged. We'll now have lead campaign. So these are the new developments in Facebook ad. Now, the first 2 videos I made are based on the old ad policy, the old ad interface. So we have the first part, which the first video is talking about how to run a page promotion ad. Now the second video was on how to get messages from lead. It's a messaging campaign. So, but now I did a video of how to run engagement ad. The last video, which is the third video actually, it was on how to run engagement ad. So if you have not watched that video, it's very important. Go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. It's very important. Watch that video. It's based on the new Facebook interface. It's based on the new Facebook interface, and it will teach you how to run engagement ad. Now let me tell you about engagement ad before I proceed. Engagement ad covers anything lead generation, especially if you want your lead to chat you up, whether on Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp Messenger or Instagram. So it covers all that. Whether you want to get messages on Facebook or you want to get messages on WhatsApp or you want to get messages on Instagram. So it covers all that. Then we also have stuff like linking your Instagram to um, Facebook. If you want to link your Instagram to Facebook and then you get messages from there, all that is under engagement ad. Now, if you want to promote your page, we call it page promotion. You want likes, you want followers, all that is under engagement ad. If you want a lot of comments, want a lot of comments on your post, you want a lot of likes and all that, that is also under engagement ad. Is under engagement ad. Now, the last video is on how to run engagement ad, and I specifically talked about how to receive messages on uh, Facebook Messenger, how to receive messages from lead on Instagram, and how to receive messages on WhatsApp. The best option for anybody that want to sell something online, if you want to sell anything online, the best option is to use WhatsApp messaging. Use WhatsApp. Let your lead chat you up directly on WhatsApp. Now, with that, I launched to the business of today, and I will be talking about how to run lead generation ad today. How to run lead generation ad. If you want to run lead generation ad, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'll log into my Ads Manager now. I'll log into my Ads Manager. When you are running ad, you don't use your Meta Ad app. You use your Chrome browser. You log into Facebook Business via your Chrome browser to log into your account. So I'll go to Chrome and then I will access my ad manager there. I have a link already on Chrome. So if you don't have the link, you can chat me up. I will show you the link. You use adsmanager.facebook.com, adsmanager.facebook.com. So that is the link. So the page is loading now. The page is loading. I'm going to divide this training into two. I'm going to divide it into two. This is the introduction. I want short videos. So this first part will just introduce the training, while the second video I'm going to go into details in the second video, because we have a long video. We are going to have a long session in this training, because lead generation, we are talking about how to use your landing page or your website to generate lead. We are talking about how to use your landing page or your website, you understand, to generate lead. So it's going to be a very long process. So I'm going to make sure I break it down into two videos so that I can understand what I'm doing, and the video will not be too long. All right, now I'm going to do this. I have create here. I have create. This is where you create a ad. This is where you create ad. You click on this icon here where we have create. Where we have create. Click on this. You click on this. This one, this create that I cycled. So when you click on that, it takes you to where you are going to create the ad. Okay, now we have options here. We have options. We have awareness, we have traffic, we have engagement, we have lead, we have app promotion, we have sales. This is engagement. This is the one I treated in my last video. So I've treated that and I've explained in the introduction. So this is the one I'm doing now. Lead ad or leads now. I'll select leads. Okay. So you see what we have under leads here. We have Instaform, we have Messenger and Instagram, we have conversions, we have calls. So these are the options we have under leads. So I will continue now. Click on continue. I'll click on continue. Alright, it's loading. Alright. Now your Facebook ads has three stages. Your Facebook, when you are running Facebook ads, it goes through three stages. The first stage is the campaign level. The campaign level is where you select your campaign objective or your ads objective. Do you understand? So you select your objective under your uh, campaign level. Then when you, after your campaign level, you go to the ad set level. Ad set level. Under your ad set level, you'll be talking about your what's it called, the audience you want to target. We're talking about the age range of your audience, the detailed targeting of your audience. You also be talking about the various aspects you want to reach in your campaign. Do you understand? The people you want to target in your ad. Majorly, your ad set is the people you are targeting. It's majorly the people you are targeting in your ad. Do you understand? So you tell us their age, the age of people, the age range of the people you want the adverts to reach, the age range. You talk about where they will message you, whether they should message you on WhatsApp, whether they should message you on Facebook, whether they should message you on Instagram. You talk about that. Then you also talk about the countries or the location you are targeting, the location you are targeting. So the ad set covers all that. We will see it practically when we go into that. So let me not bore you out with stories. So when we get to that point, you'll be seeing the options on that ad set level. Then after the ad set level, you will now have the ad level. We call it the ad level. The ad level is where you put your ad image, you put your ad copy, and the prototype message that your lead should send to you when they are chatting you up, the prototype message. So all that, you have it under the ad level. So we have 3 levels now. We have the campaign level, we have the ad set level, and we have the ad level. Now let's go to the campaign level. We are starting with the campaign level now. You will see all this level here now. Let me show you here. You see the levels here now. Let me show you. We have the levels right here. So this is the campaign level, this is the ad set level, and this is the ad level. You can see it there now. So these are the 3 stages under your ad. Now the next thing we do is to name our campaign. We name the campaign level. We name the campaign. You give the campaign a name. So when you get to the ad set level 2, you give it a name, and when you get to the ad level, you give it a name. Do you understand? Let me use Goodwill. You can use any name. Just let me use Goodwill. Goodwill campaign. Goodwill campaign. You can just stop at Goodwill. The choice is yours. You can use anything. Goodwill campaign. So now I've given it a name. So every other thing you pen them, like these categories, it is always fixed. It's always fixed. Then buying option, leave it, don't touch all that. Campaign objective is lead generation, leave it like that. So this A/B text, leave it, don't switch it on. This is what you switch on. You switch on your advantage campaign budget. Advantage campaign budget is very important. Switch it on. Okay. So yeah. Now the next thing is to set your daily budget. Ideally, if you are learning how to run ad, the minimum daily budget you use is 1,000 naira. The minimum you should use is 1,000 naira if you are learning. But once you have mastered how to run ad, and you want to get the best result, you want to get good results, what you do, the minimum you use is 2,000 naira or 2,005. You use 2,000 or 2,005. Either of the two. You understand? You can use 2,000, you can use 2,005. Some people use 3,000, some people use 5,000 daily budget. It depends on the type of product you want to sell. For example, if you are selling a product that worth 5,000 naira, 1,000 daily budget is fine. But even at best, you can use 2,000 daily budget. It's fine. Do you understand? But if you are doing product of 100,000, 60,000, I will advise you go to budget of 3,000 daily budget, because Facebook supply you lead based on your budget. You understand? You cannot cheat Facebook. They supply you lead based on your budget. Do you understand? Alright, I'm using 1,000 budget here because this is just a training and it's assumed you are learning. So we are through with the campaign level. So I move to the next level, which is the ad set level. So you click on next here. Alright, before I start the ad set level, I'll go for a commercial break. I'll be right back in the second video. I'm going for a break now. I'll be right back in the second video. So you see how to set up your ad set level. So go through what you have learned here, the introduction and everything we have done so far. So in the next video, we are going to talk about the ad set level. So thank you for watching. I'll be right back.